We talked about all of these categories: layer ones, layer zeros, layer twos, DEXs, real world assets, gaming, DeFi. There is one more category of coin, and if only to understand it intellectually, it's a responsible step, and it equips us to position ourselves with a little bit more empowerment, maybe a lot more. And that category is called Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a payment rail. Bitcoin is not a layer one. It's not a layer zero. It's its own dog in the following ways, perhaps many, many more. And some of this is review from our very first session. Bitcoin is unseizable if it's held in cold storage. Bitcoin has a finite supply. There will never be more than 21 million. Can't say that about any other coin. At some point, there can be more supply than you expect. Bitcoin is a payment rail and an asset at the same time. There's no middle party that's needed to store it. There's no middle party needed to keep the ledger, and there's no middle party needed to mint the next Bitcoin. You can absolutely know how many Bitcoin there were, there are, and there will be at any point in time with accuracy. Bitcoin is the first time that a community can come together and share consensus that there are X amount of Bitcoin, there were X minus D amount of Bitcoin at some previous point in time, and there are X plus Z amount of Bitcoin at any point in time in the future. You can know what Z is. And you can know who has the Bitcoin, where they were, and if Alice wants to transfer Bitcoin to Bob, you can have accuracy, certainty, and verifiability that that transfer happened.